Okay, inventory valuation statement is uh, a business usually has different items that make up its inventory. Each item should be valued separately. Yeah, this is the main point. Valued separately. Because in the business there are so many items are there, so uh, you have to record it, and each item should be recorded separately. The statement prepared, आपको एक statement की shape में बनाना होता है. The prepared is total value of the closing inventory. So if you are valuing separately each item and then you're preparing in the form of a statement, so that is called inventory valuation statement. Example, example 2, you can see here. See, after taking a physical count of the item in her warehouse, Sita provide the following information. What she does, she does item number 1, item 2, item 3. You see, the three items are there, then maybe many items are there. Then and she has provided, like, net realizable value. You know it, how to calculate net realizable value is to the sale price, what you can sell it for after making some expenses on it. So when you subtract it, you will get the net realizable value. So here actually realizable value is given and cost is also given. They have already calculated. In the previous question, we have calculated net realizable value, and cost is already the cost which is given already in the question. So here what we will do, she has given this theta, she has given this one. So what you have to do, you have to compare it, and you have to decide whichever is lower. Number one item realizable value is 560 and cost is 500. Which one will you select? Which one will you take? 560 or 500? Which one is lower?
500.
500 or 230, 400 you will take here. In this you will take 230. Here also 170. Okay. Up to here any problem? No. Okay. So what we will do? We will simply take this one, and this one. Okay. Same thing you can see here. 500. You see, this is 500. This is same 500 is here, and this is 230. You have taken 230 here, and this is 170. You have taken 170 here. The reason is low cost is lower. Net realizable R and V means net dealer's value is lower. So whichever is lower, you have to separate. Then next step is what you have to do. You have to total it. 500, 230, 170. It makes 900. So total closing inventory is 900. Clear? This is called inventory valuation statement. Is it clear?
Ji, sir.
So I'm just I'm repeating it. What you have to do, a statement is given, that is 560, 560, 230, 130, 170. These are the net realizable level given to you, and these are the costs given. When what you have to do, you have to compare it item by item. Item number 1, 560, 500. So 500 was lower than 560. You have selected 500, and in this case, net realizable value was less than the cost. So you have selected this one, and then again you have compared it and selected this one. Then what you have to do, you have to write it down here. But if you are writing in this format, this is called inventory valuation statement. Clear? So what you have to do, you have to compare it, and whichever is lower, you will write it down here, and then you will total it, and then you have to write total it. That would be your total value of inventory, or you can call it ending inventory. So this is called this is how we prepare inventory valuation statement. Okay.